Welcome to my channel, Just Gadgets. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video I will share some useful gadgets for your home and kitchen. These gadgets makes your life easy and comfort. You can get these gadgets for your home from any online store and any local market easily. These gadgets makes your life change and organized. All gadgets are very useful and adorable. I hope you will enjoy this video. Watch full video. If you want more gadgets videos, you can visit my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more latest gadgets and appliances videos, and also thumbs up. I will make more videos for you. Most of these gadgets for cleaning purpose and some of organizers. Help of smart gadgets makes our work quick and easy. This video will help you choose correct gadgets according your necessary.